Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Hare Krishna. Today our topic is close your eyes. That this is a mystic power of Lord Krishna. As we were discussing in the last verse, Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto 47 text 52, the gopis were crying loudly. He Nath, He Ramanath, He Brajanatharthinasana, Magnam Uddhar Govinda, Brijanam Gukulam Brijanarnave. They were crying, loudly crying. Even if Uddhava was there, they forgot him and they were looking towards Mathura, that is southeast of Nandagaon, and they were crying loudly. So, Uddhava said, Gopis, you hear another message. Previously, Lord has given 9 messages from 29 to 37. These 9 messages were given, but hearing those messages, Gopis were not satisfied. They were crying more and more. So now, the Uddhava says another message. That is not specifically stated here by Sukadeva Goswami, but it is understood from the commentary of Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, because it is stated in Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto 47 chapter text 53, Shuko Vacha, Tatastha Krishna Sandesai Vyapata Virha Jara. So actually the messages delivered by Uddhava earlier, that did not remove their fever of separation. Fever of separation. But now it is said by Sukadeva Goswami that their Virha Jara was Vyapata. Vyapata means that was cured, that was recovered, that relieved. So how is it? There are some hidden messages that was not stated by Sukadeva Goswami here. It will be described by Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. That is mystic message. You close your eyes and you will feel our presence. So it is stated that Uddhavam Pujayam Chakrur Gyanta Atmanam Adophyajam. When their fever of separation was relieved, then they worshipped Uddhava and understood Lord Krishna is their very dear one. So here there is a mystic message. Just close your eyes, just as we described in Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto in 19th chapter, when there was a Munjadevi fire, when the cowherd friends of Lord Krishna along with the cows were inside a forest fire, that is Munjatavi, that Vana, that forest is Munjatavi, said. At that time they were crying loudly. The cows were crying and the boys were also crying. And Krishna said, just close your eyes. And your friends, close your eyes and you will be relieved of all your distress. So, and at that time they closed their eyes. And immediately by the mystic power of Krishna, they were rescued from that Munjatavi forest and they were brought back to Bhandaravata along with the cows. When they opened their eyes, that fire was gone. That was the mystic pastime of the Lord. And that was also described by the cowherd friends to their near and dear ones, their fathers, mothers, brothers, sisters, etc. in the evening. So the gopis heard of this message, heard of this pastime of the Lord. So now it is not specifically described by Sukadeva Goswami, but Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur says that Krishna says that you close your eyes and see my mystic power. So when they closed their eyes, at that time, what happened? that though Sukadeva Goswami has not explicitly described those messages, one can understand them by the results of they had on the gopis. Krishna said, "O gopis, you who are as dear to me as my life, while you are standing before my messenger Uddhava, just close your eyes. Just as the cowherd boys closed their eyes and were delivered from the forest fire, close your eyes and I will deliver you from the devastating fire of separation." It is stated that there are 10 conditions or 10, we may say, transformations of body during separation. That is described in Srimad Charitamrita, Antarlila, 14th chapter, text 53. Chinta atra jagaro udvego tanavam malinangato pralapo vyadhir unmado moho mrityu dasa. These 10 bodily transformations were there, resulting from separation from Krishna. Those transformations were there in the bodies of gopis. They are anxiety, wakefulness, mental agitation, thinness, uncleanness, talking like a madman, disease, madness, illusion, and the 10th condition is death. Final condition, death. So the gopis were on the verge of death, as described previously in the previous verses, and they were, Vishwanath Chakravarti says, they were thinking, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if Krishna doesn't come, then we will leave our bodies. There is a process how to leave the bodies. It is described in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 8th chapter, text 13. Amite ka kiram brahma vyaharan ma manusmaran yah prayati tejam deham sajati paramangatim. After being situated in this yoga practice and vibrating the sacred syllable Om, the supreme combination of letters, if one thinks of the Supreme Personality of Godhead and quits his body, he will certainly reach the spiritual planets. The yogis, they are capable of leaving their body just like our Dadhichi Muni. When Dhritarashtra was there, when Indra killed that Vishwarupa, described in Srimad Bhagavatam 6th canto, once Indra did not pay respect to their spiritual master, Brahaspati, so Brahaspati vanished, he went away. So the demigods, they were in panic, and at that time this message was there in, with Sukracharya, so he requested, he said to his followers, to demons, immediately attack the demigods. And so demigods were defeated. So the demigods, including Indra, they went to Brahma and said, this is our condition. Brahma said, okay, you appoint another as your spiritual master, that is Vishwarupa. Yes, Vishwarupa. He is the son of Toshta, Indra's brother. And he saw the Indra, with the help of Vishwarupa, he regained his power. But when he saw that Vishwarupa was also in the side of demons, he immediately killed him. So at that time, there was in the Toshta performed one sacrifice, Indra Satra Vivardaswa, who will kill Indra, and Dhritarashtra came. At that time, the demons, the demigods, they were praying the Lord. So the Lord said, you go to the Dadichi and ask his body, which is asti, which is bones, you create that Vajra. And the Dadichi Muni immediately gave up his body. So the who are in a highly elevated stage, they are able to leave the body. There is a process. There are nine gates in our body. Navadvare Pure Dehi, 9 bodies in our body. But still then we remain inside the body as if we are bound, we are chained. But those who are in an elevated position, they know how to leave this body. Just like Parikshit Maharaj, while he was listening to Srimad Bhagavatam, he left his body. And after that, the dead body that was bitten by Tapyaka. So in this way, by closing the eyes, so many things can happen. And here the Lord himself is the mystic power, is having the mystic powers. He said to gopis, so when gopis closed their eyes, millions of years were compressed, and they enjoyed this rasa dance, etc., and they became relieved of their fever of separation. So thank you very much. Hare Krishna.